A very pleasant morning to one and all. Hello, guys. Myself Imran Khan, and I am a mathematics teacher of Sri Academy in Pasihi branch. This is the lecture for class 7th. So, the student of class 7th, as you know, yesterday I finished your chapter 4th. So, today I want to start a new chapter number 5. Chapter name is Exponent and Powers. So, without taking too much time, I want to start this new chapter. And before starting this chapter, I want to tell you some important fact of this very chapter. In the exponent and power, the product form if a power m multiple a power n, the answer will be a power m plus n. Means अगर बेस ए पर कोई भी पावर यम और बेस ए पर ही कोई पावर यन हो, बेस सेम हो, तो उसका पावर ऐड हो जाता है. जैसे 2 पावर 2 मल्टीपल 2 पावर 3 इक्वल टू 2 पावर 2 प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 2 पावर 5. ओके. In the form of quotient means division, a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Okay. In the form of power, a power n equal to a power m multiple n. In inverse form equal to a power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. 0 power equal to means a power 0 equal to 1. Okay. Why? So we need a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n when m equal to 0. In order for this law to satisfied, when m equal to 0, we have a power n equal to a power m plus n equal to a power 0 plus n equal to a power 0 a power n. So a power 0 must be 1. Okay. In the exponent rule, in short form, product rule equal to a power x multiple a power y equal to a power x plus y. Quotient rule equal to a power x divided by a power y equal to a power x minus y. Power rule, a power x power y equal to a power x multiple y. Power of product rule, a b power x equal to a power x multiple b power x. Power of fraction rule, a by b power x equal to a power x by b power x. Zero exponent, a power 0 equal to a power 1. Negative exponent, a power minus x equal to 1 by a power x. Fractional exponent, a power x by y equal to square y a power x under root y a power x. Okay. So on the basis of this formula, I want to start our new chapter. Question number 1 is write each of the following in power notation. 5 by 7 multiple 5 by 7 multiple 5 by 7 multiple 5 by 7. So at first you write only one 5 by 7 and after that you count ki how many time it come. So 1 2 3 4 means 5 by 7 power 4. Okay. Next minus 4 by 3 multiple 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 minus 4 by 3. Then minus 4 by 3 power, how many time it come? To 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. To 5. Okay student. So on the basis of this very question, you understand left question yourself and solve by yourself. Now question number 2 is express each of the following in power notation. 25 power 36. तो 25 is the square of 5. Okay, तो 5 multiple 5 and 36 is the square of 6. 6 multiple 6. So 5 by 6 multiple 5 by 6 base is equal to 5 by 6 power 2. Next minus 27 by 64. So after that minus 27 is the cubic root of 3 and 64 is the cubic root of 4. तो माइनस 3/4 मल्टीपल माइनस 3/4 मल्टीपल माइनस 3/4. You write minus 3/4 at one time and after that you give power. Means how many time it come? So 3 time means power 3. Okay. Now question number third and fourth. Third minus 32 by 243. So at first you write all the factor of minus 32. So all the factor of minus 32 equal to minus 2 multiple minus 2 multiple minus 2 multiple minus 2 multiple minus 2 means 5 time minus 2. And after that you write all the factor of 243. So 5 time 3. Okay. So minus 2 by 3 means you write 5 time. After that minus 2 by 3 you give power means 5. Okay. Minus 2 by 3 power 5. Next minus 1 by 128. To write all the factor of 128 to 6 time 7 time 2. Okay. So after that you write in different form means minus 1 by 2 as you write 7 time. After that you give power minus 1 by 2 is written here 1 time and after that you count times ki how many time it come to 7 time means you give power 7. Next question number third. Express each of the following as a rational number. 2 by 3 power 5 means in next slide I will show you answer. Okay. So my 2 by 3 power 5. So you write 2 by 3 at 5 time. After that you find the product of 5 time 2 and 3 time 5 time 3. Okay. So your answer will be 32 by 243. Okay. Next is minus 8 by 5 power 3. So you write here minus 8 3 time and 5 3 time. After that you multiply it. So my answer will be minus 512 by 125. Next you understand by yourself and solve. Okay. Now question number 4. Express each of the following as a rational number. 4 power minus 1. So before starting this chapter I told you if any power is in the negative form then you write 1 by number power. Okay. So it will be converted into positive. Okay. So 1 by 4 power 1 equal to 1 by 4. Next is minus 6 power minus 1. So 1 by minus 6 power 1. After that you multiply by minus 1. So answer will be 1 minus 1 by 6. Okay student. Next 1 by 3 power minus 1. So 3 power minus 1. 3 power 1. Okay. So answer will be 3 by 1. Next question you do yourself. Now question number 5. Find the reciprocal of each of the following. What do you mean by reciprocal? So reciprocal means answer will be 1. Okay. Answer should be 1. 3 by 8 power 4 means you write here 8 by 3 power 4. Okay. Minus 5 by 6 power 11. So minus 6 by 5 power 11. 6 by 7 6 power 7 equal to 1 by 6 power 7. Okay. Next question. Find the value of each of the following. 8 power 0. So before starting this chapter I told you if any power is 0 then answer will be 1. Okay. So 8 power 0 means a by b power 0 equal to 1. Therefore 8 power 0 equal to 1. Minus 3 power 0 equal to 1 means all thing is here 1. Okay. Now question number 7 is simplify each of the following and express each as a rational number. 3 by 2 power 4 multiple 1 by 5 power 2. After that 3 by 2 multiple 3 by 2 power 4 multiple 1 by 5 power 2 You write here 3 by 2 at 4 time and 1 by 2 at 5 time. After that you multiply it, so your answer will be 81 by 400. Okay. Next, minus 2 by 3, 5 power 5 multiple minus 3 by 7 power 3. So you write here minus 2 by 3 at 5 time and minus 3 by 7 at 3 time. After that you multiply minus 2 at 5 times, so minus 32 by 3 at 5 times, so 243. You multiply minus 3 at 3 times, minus 27, and 7 at 3 times, so 343. After that you multiply minus 32 multiple minus 27 by 243 multiple 343. Okay. Minus minus plus, so after that you class each of the number, so your final answer will 32 by 3087. Okay guys. Next question, question number 8. Simplify and express it as a rational number. 4 by 9 power 6 multiple 4 by 9 power 4. So 4 by 9 multiple 4 by 9 power 6 multiple 4 by 9 power minus 4. After that you see here कि base is equal, so power will be plus. So 4 by 9 6 plus minus 4 equal to 4 by 9. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So 4 by 9 power 2. After that you multiply 4 multiple 4 by 9 multiple 9. 4 4 just 16 and 9 9 just 81. Okay. Next, minus 7 by 8 power minus 3 multiple minus 7 by 8 power 2. Here also base is equal to minus 7 by 8 power minus 3 plus 2. Okay. So 4 minus 7 by 8 power minus 1. Okay. After that you convert it to 8 by minus 7. Okay guys. Next question number 3. 4 by 3 power minus 3 multiple 4 by 3 power minus 2. So after that you convert it into the positive power. So 3 by 4 power 3 multiple 3 by 4 power 2. After that base is equal to 3 by 4 power 3 plus 2. 3 by 4 power 5. You write 3 at 5 time and 4 at 5 time. After that you multiply. Your answer will 243 by 1024. Now question number 9. Express each of the following as a rational number. 5 power minus 3. In next slide I will show you answer. 5 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 5 power 3. After that you write 1 3 time and 5 3 time. Your answer will 1 by 125. Okay. Next is minus 2 power minus 5. Your answer will minus 1 by 2 power 5. After that you multiply it, so minus 1 by 32. Okay student. Now part number 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 power minus 3 means minus 4 by 3 power 3. After that you multiply minus 4 at 3 time and 3 by 3 time, to minus 64 by 27. 5 and 6 you understand by yourself and solve it. Now question number 10. Simplify. You see question here. After that answer is here. Big brackets, after that curly brackets, after that small brackets, minus 1 by 4 power 2, curly bracket 1 close, and power minus 2, and big brackets minus 1. Okay. You solve it to minus 1 by 4 minus 4 multiple minus 1 means if power to power it will be multiply it. Okay. So minus 1 by 4 power 4, you write minus 1 at 4 time and 4 at 4 time, so your answer will 1 by 1 256. Now question number 2 is same, so you understand by yourself and solve it. Now question number 3 is minus 3 by 2 power 3 divided by minus 3 by 2 power 6. After that minus 3 by 2 power 3 minus 6 minus 3 by 2 power minus 3. You convert it into the positive power, so 2 by minus 2 by 3 power 3 equal to 2 2 is 4 2 is 8 minus 8 by 3 3 is 9 3 is 27 minus 8 by 27. Okay, guys. So, thank you and have a very have a wonderful day. If you have any problem, then you discuss me. You call at my cell phone number. So stay home and stay safe. All of you solve it all very question into your fair copy.